Burkunda. I study in 5A. Today I am very happy as I got a beautiful chance to say something about Independence Day. Today we are united here to celebrate Independence Day. As we all know, Independence Day is a blessed occasion for all Indians. India's Independence Day is the most important day for all Indian citizens and mentioned forever in our history. Independence Day is the day when we got freedom in 1947 from the British rule after many years of hard struggle by the freedom fighter. We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August every year to remember the first day of every sacrifices of the freedom fighter who has sacrificed their lives in getting independent in India. After independence, we got all the fundamental rights in our nation, our motherland. Praise took our faith that we took birth on independent India. We show our happiness to say something about gratefully speech to on an independent India. Everyone should feel proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Good morning to all. My name is Avya Kumari. I am from Pavan Kurushi School, Burkunda. I study in class 5B. Today I am very happy as I have got a beautiful chance to say something about Independence Day. On 15 August 1947, we got independence from British rule. There are countless struggles, priceless sacrifices and efforts for our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, who is our national father, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sarojini Naidu, Bhagat Singh, Vallabhbhai Patel, Indira Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri, etc. Independence is an honor and great gift thanks to the great sacrifice made by our leaders, and now we are free and independent nation of the world. Every year we celebrate Independence Day at Red Fort in New Delhi, and the army performs many tasks like march past, etc. In the morning, our government and president hoist our national flag and sing our national anthem. Also, schools and colleges organize various functions to celebrate Independence Day and to pay tribute to our freedom fighters. Let us salute today people who fought for the independence of the country. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning to all. I am Ayushi Kumari. I am from Pavan Kurushi School, Burkunda. I study in 5B. Today I am very happy as I have got a beautiful chance to say something about Independence Day. 15th August is the day on which we were free from British rule and regulation. That's why we all celebrate this day as Independence Day. Our country, India, did not become independent easily. Many great men had sacrificed their lives like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Indira Gandhi. Due to the tireless efforts of all these great men, our country, India, became independent on 15th August 1947. This day is most important day for all the Indian citizens and has been mentioned forever in history. Independence Day on 15th of August, in the event organized in the national capital New Delhi, the Prime Minister of India hoisted the national flag in the early morning at the Red Fort, where millions of people participate in the Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning to all. I am Sneha Gupta. I study in class 5A. I am from Pavan Kurushi School, Burkunda. Today I am very happy as I have got a beautiful chance to say something about Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August of every year. It is a national day off for every Indian. This day we remember the great struggle of freedom. This day we remember the sacrifices of our great freedom fighters. Every state and union territory of our country celebrates this day with great enthusiasm. In Red Fort, one of the major programs hoisting the national flag by the Prime Minister, President gives a speech on this auspicious day. The Chief Minister in their states raises the national flag. The patriotic songs and movies are broadcasted in all the TV channels. It is one of the biggest and grandest festival in India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you all.